channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up this brand new courier/logistic website with billing receipts. Okay, now this courier website allows the admin to actually add charges for each shipment that is being sent out to the receiver. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how this courier website works. So first I'm going to show you the front end. I'm going to show you how the front end is built. I see the front end is built completely with all the details, all the pictures that you could possibly need. Now all you have to do is change the logo, change the name to yours, and you are good to go. Okay, now all the pages have been built completely, so there's really nothing much that you actually have to do. All you have to do is get the script, install it on your cPanel, and you are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get access to the script at the end of the training. But first, let me show you how the admin works and also how the admin gets to bill their client via the billing receipts. Okay, now so this is the admin dashboard. Okay, so now I've logged into my admin dashboard. This is my admin dashboard. Now these are the two tracking numbers that I have created so far. So I'm going to create a new tracking number, and we're going to see exactly how the admin gets to fill in every detail that is needed for the shipment. Mind you, this script actually sends mail to the receiver whenever you create. So if I create a new tracking ID and I put in an email, it's going to send a message to the receiver telling the receiver that so and so package is on its way to you. Okay, and also when I create any updates, when there's an update, when I update the tracking, the location, when I update the price and everything, it's also going to send a mail to the receiver telling the receiver that so and so package is on its way to you, and this is where it has gotten. Okay, so the user can also pick up the tracking ID and track the shipment on the website. Okay, first of all, we're going to create this tracking number. We're going to create a tracking number for a shipment. So let's say, okay, contact info. So this is a phone number. Fill in your contact's phone number right here. Now it's advisable you use your client's email, so you can actually get the alert when you create a tracking ID for them. Okay, so but I'm not going to be using an actual email, so I'm just going to fill this in. Okay, so we're just going to fill this line. You have pending, you have active, you have inactive, you have picked up, you have arrived, delivered, and on hold. Okay, so I'm going to say active. I'm going to say destination is package description. Let's see what's on hold. So here you just fill in the carrier of the shipments and whatever parcel you are shipping, and then I'm going to put the dispatch date. Okay, and you can put the reference number. So I'm just going to fill that in. Then estimated delivery date. So you fill in the dates that you know the package is actually going to arrive. Okay, and then you fill in the weight, and then the shipment mode. Now, is it by flight? Is it by ship? Is it by road? Whichever way it's being delivered. So payment method, you can actually fill in whatever method you want the client to actually use. Okay, so now quantity, so I'm going to say 4. Let's say delivery time is 09:12 AM. Okay, I'm going to choose, I'm going to browse for an image. So I'm going to just fill in your image, the image of the package you are sending. I'm going to click on add. Perfect, new tracking added successfully. Now this is the package that we actually just created right here. Okay, now I'm going to add the billing now. Okay, so I'm going to add the charges and everything that the receiver actually needs to pay. Okay, so I'm going to click on updates. Okay, so it's pending now. I can decide to change from active. You know, we choose active before. I can decide to change from active to picked up or whatever. But I'm still going to leave it in active. I'm going to say the current location is Dallas. Okay. So we're saying that at this particular time, at this particular date, at this particular time, the package was in dollars. Okay, so I'm going to add my charges. So total charges is 50,000. I'm just going to add a little note here and click on update. Perfect, updated successfully. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the track number. We're going to copy the tracking number, and then we're going to track it as a user, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so now let's go to the website. Now you see this is our website. All I have to do is go to my tracking so we can see it. Perfect. Now you see this is it. This is the date we added. So at so and so time, it's actually active in dollars. Okay, and this is the note we added underneath. Okay, so now this is your shipper's information. This person sending it. This is the receiver's information. Now this is the shipment info. So you can see the origin that we added, the package, status, destination, shipment mode, and everything that we actually added is right here. Now this is a picture of the package we are sending, and this is a map. Now it shows that it's actually in dollars. Okay, now it shows that it's actually in dollars. So whatever location you put, it's going to change to that. Also, now to see the actual charges that we added, all we have to do is click on print receipt. So this is the receiver's information, and this is a receipt for the receiver. So the receiver knows that okay, this is the total amount that I'm supposed to pay on this particular date, and this is my invoice number. Okay, this is my carrier, and this is my this is description of what I'm expecting. Okay, so you see how easy and how sweet this new TURORIAL website is. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can actually install this TURORIAL website on your very own cPanel. Okay, so we're going to go straight into installing this new TURORIAL script. Okay, so I have my cPanel ready. So all you have to do is get your domain name and your hosting plan, and then you get your cPanel ready, so you can also install this at your end. Okay, so now all I have to do is go to my file manager. Now I'm going to be using a subfolder for the sake of this tutorial. I'm not getting a new domain name for this tutorial, so I'm going to be using a subfolder for this tutorial. I'm going to come and I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call this perfect. Now all I have to do is upload the file. Now this file is going to be made available for you at the end of this training. I'm going to let you know how you can get this file ASAP. So while this is uploading, what I'm going to do is create my database. So my database is what's going to allow me to configure this file to my own cPanel. Okay, so all I have to do is call this paradb. Okay, so now next we're going to create a user. So we're going to call this, and we're going to fill in our password also. Perfect. So now we're going to wait for this file to finish uploading. So once it's done uploading, we can set it up. Okay, so it's done uploading. So we're going to go back to our file manager so we can start configuring this script. Okay, perfect. Now, so this is our uploaded file. I'm going to extract, and I'm going to reload this page. Now I'm going to move everything out into the main folder that I want. Okay, so you'll be moving yours out straight into the public_HTML, right? Perfect. Now you see this is outside, so I'm going to delete this first of all. Perfect. So now next we're going to go to our config.php. So we're going to open our db.php. So we're going to open up db.php, and we're going to configure this file with the database name that we created. Okay. Perfect. So I'm going to go back for the user. Perfect. Now this is the database password also. So I'm going to click on save changes and we are good to go. So now the last step we're going to take is PHP admin. Okay, so we're going to upload our SQL file. Okay, so this way you can find your SQL file. So come to database. Okay, so this is my database. This is my PHP admin. Okay, so I'm going to go to the database that I just created. Then I'm going to upload the database that I downloaded. Okay, so this is the database. This is the SQL file. Perfect. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on import. I'm going to click on choose file. And I'm going to click on database. So this is what I just downloaded. And I'm going to import it. Perfect. Now, so it's done uploading. So what we're going to do is get the admin login details. Okay, so if you're doing it for someone, you can actually get the admin login details easily. Or you have to just go to admin. You can put in the admin username you want, put in the password that you want, and you are good to go. Okay. Now, mind you, to make sure your emails are sending as they should, you need to set up your settings in your admin dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set this up. Now, this is your general setting. Now, general setting is where you can set up your site name. Okay, so I'm going to call this para. Okay, now you can call this. Okay, let's leave it as logistics. Okay, and I'm going to put in my site URL right here. Perfect. And then the shipping, prefix. Now, what do you want your tracking number to actually carry? Okay, like for example, you see this tracking number. The tracking number actually carries let me show you what I'm talking about. And I see all the tracking number as CC before them. So what do you want your tracking number prefix to be? Okay, so now you can actually add here. So I'm going to make my PL. Okay, so you can add whatever you want. Also, then the number of digits in the tracking number. Do you want it to be 2? You want it to be 3? You want it to be 4? How many do you want? Okay, so I want mine to be 8. Then do you want them to print invoice or not print invoice? So we're going to put here, so we want them to print invoice. Do you want to show the map or you do not want to show the map? We want the map showing, so we're going to leave that as yes. Then invoice terms, yes, we're going to leave that also. I'm going to click on save. Okay, this says use at least 4 characters. So we're going to say PLCC. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Settings saved successfully. So up next, we're going to check out email settings. Okay, we're going to check out the email settings. Now, what name do you want to show when your receiver receives a mail? When your shipping receiver receives a mail. So also this email address, you have to make sure you have created this email address in your cPanel. Okay, so you have to go to your email account and create this email that you are going to be using here for your emails to actually send, for your mails to go through. Okay, now send mail for new tracking. Yes, when you create a new tracking, should the mail send to the user's email? Yes. Now send mail for tracking update. Do you want mails to send whenever you create whenever you update a shipping number? Yes, I want the mail to send, so I'm going to leave that. I'm going to click on save changes. Perfect, and we are good to go. You see, so it's actually very easy to use, very easy to use, very simple to install, and you can set it up in less than 15 minutes and you are done. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you've learned something. Now this script is going to be made available for you. Just follow the instructions in the description of this video and you can get the script ASAP. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.